Welcome back to Coffee and Sawdust. I am Mike. It got dark on me. Today's video, I am building an egg basket or an egg harvesting basket. Ain't that cool? Sit back, relax. I hope you enjoy the video. We've got two 2x8s. Lengths don't matter, but they're roughly a foot. I've got a little bit of rabbit wire left. That's 1/2 inch. And I have my template. Let's get building. Alright, I like my egg shape. The problem is this. So it's not going to sit on the counter without rocking back and forth. So what am I going to do? I'm going to cut the bottom off. Alright, I made an executive decision. What was that decision? Well, after taking my wire and laying it across, I didn't like that look. So what I'm going to do is do strips like that. That's what I'm gonna do. What we gonna do now? Alright, that's today's build. The egg harvesting basket. I seen something similar on Etsy. They were charging $26 for one that was smaller than this. But if they're charging it, that means people are buying it. And this is made out of scrap wood. I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. And until my next video, you guys keep building.